Let me take you on a quick walk around on 300 SD number 3. You know, from 20 feet away it doesn't look too bad. In fact, I already had somebody want to buy this car from me, but I said, hold on. Let me show you the video first. The body's straight, but cosmetically it needs a lot of work. You can see here the staining in the rear glass. There's a lot of places in the paint where the paint's peeling up and there's chips in the paint. The upholstery's tired, it's got tears in it. The dash has cracks in it, the wood's deteriorated. So the cosmetics on the inside of the car are not much better. Now that's not saying you couldn't make a driver out of this car. I guess it depends a lot on how nice you want it to be when you're all done with it. This was the seller's daily driver, and I did drive it back to the shop. And it was quite a ride. I think I'm going to get you in this car and take you for a little spin around the farm here so you can experience what I experienced. So is this one worth saving? Well, probably not for me. The car's tired, but it could be made into a driver because it has been a reliable driver for the previous owner. Now, he kept maintenance records. He showed me change the oil every 2,500 miles.
All you guys that didn't buy this car, here is the maintenance. Oil changes every 2,500 miles. Too bad for you.
So maybe, just maybe, this thing has a really good engine. Let's fire it up and see what you think. Well, it fires quickly, starts with authority, but sure vibrates a lot. I can tell right away, you know, it's got bad motor mounts. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the hood. To me, it sounds basically healthy. It's got a nice kick to it, demonstrating good compression. Let's run it up a little bit. You can hear the injector nailing. Probably got old fuel in it. Right on the metal. Let's loosen up this cap. Oh, it's jumping around, but not too bad. Come on, do a cap dance for us. So what I want to do is make sure this is a good engine. This is going to require a little more testing, maybe a little more tuning, but my goal will try to determine if I've got a good engine and transmission in this car. So Jerson, what are we going to do here?
Just gonna tell these people how you can work on this 126 Mercedes.
Do you want to buy this one from me?
Diagnostic.
I'll sell it to you cheap.
Take me a little while.
Key doesn't look too bad. Oh, yeah? Uh-oh. Oh, great. Okay, it looks like we got ignition tumbler to replace. Oh, wow. That was a kick. Can you feel that vibration? Look at it shake. That's those motor mounts. All right, let's buckle up here. So, first thing I'm going to show you is this transmission shifter down here. Hey, Jerson, point the camera to the shifter. Now, we're going to check the transmission, see how quickly it shifts. So we're going to put it in drive. Okay, almost a second, and I'm going to put it in reverse. Shift bushing's bad. Okay, we'll back it up. Put it in drive. That's not too bad. If you get a real long delay in the transmission shifting, it's a sign the transmission may be getting tired. At least the steering is not too tight. Let's check the steering out. Heater blower motor's working, and it's not working in the blue one, so that's great. That just means a lot of work for Jerson, right? Okay. I'm gonna pull out here. Let's see what kind of power this thing has. Come on. Oh, it's floored. Come on, go, go. Man, I got cars coming. Come on, it's floored. It's floored. Okay, there we go. Whoa, what was that? I don't think I quite had that one before, View. Now let's try that again. Floored. Okay, come on. Go, 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 go. Wow, this will give me a back massage. What do you think that is, Jerson?
That's a chiropractic.
Is that the chiropractic 300 SD? Oh man, I've never quite had a 617 turbo diesel do that before. Now, we've got quite a bit of body roll, so the shocks are bad. Not too bad on the steering play, only 2 inches. It's better than some. Oh, does the seat work? I'm kind of tipped back. Yeah, look at that. The power seat works. Okay, so we're going to stop again and let's go through the acceleration sequence. You know, oil pressure looks good. Engine temperature's kind of slow to coming up. Okay, I'm in drive. I'm going to floor it right now. It's floored. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Okay, take a little while. Oh, jerk, shift, jerk. Oh, here we go. Massage. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Oh boy. Well, that's going to take some tuning, isn't it? We have any idea what that is? Is that like maybe there's some mice in the tailpipe? That's going to be a new one. Oh. You know, once we get going here, it's okay. I mean, if you just want a driver to get you from point A to point B, you might be okay. It's obvious the engine's going to need some work, but I want to check this transmission out. And what I'm going to do is shift it manually and see how it shifts manually without any slipping, okay? Oops. I guess we can't complete the shifting sequence. Whoa! Okay, shift. What do you think? Oh, we love our 300 SDs. But I gotta tell you, I've run into some interesting things with these ones that have been raining upon my head. We'll get this one back to the farm. I'm gonna do a little bit on the engine to try to figure out how I can get rid of that massaging. Because I really, even though it kind of feels good, I don't like it. Okay, you want a massage? What do you think? Should we give you a massage? Okay, here we go. Okay, all right, that's good. Enough massage for today. Oh man. I think what we're going to do is we're going to use this engine as a kind of an introductory video series on tuning a Mercedes diesel. Don't be afraid to get one. You can tune it. You can do it. Because if you can tune this one, you can tune anyone. All joking aside now, I really think that the black here could be made into a reliable daily driver that would be quite presentable. It's going to need some cosmetic work, which could be done quite inexpensively. It's going to need some interior work, but that could be done with used parts. And it's going to need some mechanical work that if you do yourself, could be done quite inexpensively. So I decided to use this car right here for a future video series for those of you who might want to fix one up on a budget. I think it'll be fun to see what we can actually do with this car. And once again, do it on a budget. So we're going to start out in the next video. I'm going to tackle the engine to see why it's cutting out so badly. You know, as you accelerate, it starts to, oh, it's cutting out. So what's causing that? Well, it's not spark plugs. These engines don't have spark plugs. But I have a hunch it's either a fuel restriction or an air intake restriction. Who knows? Maybe there's some mice stuck in the turbo. So we're going to look into that in detail in part 1 of a future series on restoring an old Mercedes diesel on a budget.